How's it going today, everybody? Welcome back to Troy's Hobbies RC. Today on the channel, we're going to be taking out the MJX H12Y Plus out for another run on the trails. But today we're going to be installing its first upgrade, which will be these Wonfast Mickey Thompson beadlock wheels and tires. These are an aluminum beadlock, aluminum center insert, and then a medium to soft foam in it. So let's get these things out of the package, mount it on the truck, and see what these things look like. Okay, so we got these out of the package. Here's a quick look at these Mickey Thompson. These are the Baja MTZ is what they're calling these. I'm not sure if that's officially branded or not, but that's a look there at the tread pattern. Kind of your standard all-terrain tire tread pattern. Nice aluminum wheel with the black beadlock ring. It's very nice looking. It does have a decent offset in the backside with the 12mm hex there. One thing I will say about these is that they're kind of a medium to firm foam. So we'll see how that performs on the rocks. These tires may need a bit of a break-in period. They are a bit waxy feeling from the package, but that's pretty typical of a lot of tires sometimes. So some of these types of tires, they need a bit of a break-in period on the rocks to kind of rough them up and get them a little less slippery feeling. And hopefully that's what these do. So let's get these things mounted onto the truck and see what they look like. Alright, before we hit the trails, I just want to show you guys real quick this little mod that I did. In order to fit these beadlocks properly without them binding on your portals, they do rub on the top of the housing here. I had to offset them here with these little mini washers, just 4 of them per. And I'll give you guys a close-up here of how I did it. But there's a little bit of a space here in between the washer and the hex itself, and that's you don't actually have to worry about that because the wheel still has enough offset to bite onto the hex, and then it allows an offset. So let me give you guys a close-up of this and I'll show you how that works. Alright everybody, as you can see, it's rolling perfectly fine now. No binding. Alright, let's go out to the trails. All right, everybody, that's going to be it for today on Troy's Hobbies RC. That was a run with the MJX H12Y Plus. These are the upgraded Wonfast aluminum bead locks and Mickey Thompson tires that come with it. I would say that they did a fair to average job on the trails today. I believe that the foams are still a little bit too stiff. The sidewalls are quite stiff. And the tires, even though they did break in a little, they did not break in as much as I would like to on the rocks. So with that being said, we also did sustain a little bit of damage. Before we run the truck next time, I'm going to have to replace a rear differential. It looks like the ring and pinion left the chat. So we're going to be replacing some gears in the truck. I'm also going to be taking a look at some of the other gears and everything else. But other than that, the truck handled great. We just tore it up doing some jumps and donuts and kind of just bashing it around. So we're going to fix the differential. And then in the next video that you guys see with this, I have some new Injora tires and Injora inserts that we're going to try to put into these bead locks and see if that improves the performance as well. So that's going to be it for today on Troy's Hobbies RC. I just want to say thanks for watching. Thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you all are new. And we'll see you guys next time. Later.